Hi, I'm Dave Buckley. I'm a personal injury attorney, and one of the things I often want the most when I'm putting together a demand to an insurance company for a client I represent who's been injured through no fault of their own, but I don't often get it, is pictures. And you would think in this day and age where everyone has a cell phone, everyone has a camera in their pocket, that there would be more pictures that I could use uh, in any given case. But no, it doesn't happen. And I'm often asking my clients, did you take pictures at the scene? Did you take pictures at the car lot where your car was towed to? If you slipped and fell in a store, did you take pictures of the place where you fell? What caused your fall? What shoes were you wearing? Do you have pictures of the shoes you were wearing? And I just I'm not that lucky, or I haven't been that lucky where I get those pictures, because a picture is worth 1,000 words. You've heard that phrase before, right? It is. A picture's worth 1,000 words. I mean, for instance, if I were to describe to you, or if you're the insurance adjuster, my client was hit. She was rear-ended by a person who was going 50 miles an hour. And my client was injured as a result of that person rear-ending my client. And what I'm trying to do is be persuasive. I'm using the facts that I have been informed of to tell a story, to be really persuasive, to say, listen, this is why my client's case deserves the maximum value. When I can add a picture to that, when I can add a picture to my client getting rear-ended at 50 miles an hour to show the severity and the destruction that ensued, well, that helps. That helps make the case. Now, you've heard me say my client was rear-ended going 50 miles an hour, and, sure, no doubt that they would be hurt in a situation like that. But if I were to show you a picture, of the devastation, doesn't that put things into focus? Yeah, I think it does. If you're involved in an accident, or hopefully you never will be, but if you're ever in a situation, take pictures. Take pictures of your car, their car. Take a picture of the person who hit you. If you feel the person who hit you is acting funny, like they might be impaired, switch over to video and record them. There's no law against that. You can do that. You might feel funny doing that, but what the hell do you care? You're never going to have that moment again. You're never going to have that moment again. You need to take the opportunity to take those pictures when given the opportunity, or videos when given the opportunity. Because what that does is it helps maximize the value of your case. It helps to tell a story a little bit better with pictures to add to the narrative. So by all means, take out your camera, take out your phone, take your pictures, take your videos. Don't be shy. It's not a time to be shy. It's not a time to be polite either, if it comes to that. I'm not saying get in fistfights, of course, but you have a right to take the pictures that you need to take in the moment to show how this accident happened. Even taking pictures of the weather. It's snowing out, it's raining out. Whatever the situation is, having pictures to tell the story, always helpful. Take care.